Hi, this is Bo Yoder from 5MinuteInvestor.com, taking a look at one of the last trading setups we had in the Forex trading newsletter, published from 5MinuteInvestor.com. Take a look at the Great British Pound versus the US dollar on a 480-minute chart. You can see that the market, after a multi-month correction, rallied very significantly, broke out to a new high above the 2 to 1 level, and then pulled back into areas of chart support. Now, what is chart support? Well, it's an area of former resistance. Once broken, that became retested. This is a classic technical analysis type tool. You can see a little bit of an example here on a micro level. Market broke out above this former resistance level, pulled back, tested that former resistance level, which now acted as support, helped launch the market higher. I was looking at the support level right around the 2.100 area, 0100 area, as an important level of support for the Great British Pound. In any market, and especially the Forex markets, the first pullback after a breakout is always a great trading opportunity. Can offer some really great risk to reward ratios and is something that I love to stock whenever it is made available. This was no different. We had a pullback, as you can see here. If I zoom into a smaller time frame, going down to a 60-minute chart, you can see the reversal that formed here at a 60-minute level. Gave that in the newsletter right here around 20.089 to 91 or so. Caught a nice reversal. I had to sit through a couple of wiggles, as is usually the case with these position type trades, before the real trend began and the breakout occurred, which took us up towards our profit objective with ease. So you can see the kind of risk reward that this trade offered, and that's one of the beauties of the breakout retest. This breakout retest is often the second chance long opportunity for many different kinds of trend trading styles, and it tends to produce these long sustained trends. Now obviously it's not an easy hold. There were a couple of ugly whipsaws you had to hold through, but the breakout retest is a pattern in which I have great faith, so it really didn't cause me that much stress. I knew that there was a big, the odds were very high that a big spike was coming, and so I was willing to sit through the chop, essentially earning my ticket for that ride once the moon launch began. So there you have it, a pretty straightforward pullback to support. And this is another thing that I'm really enjoying about the Forex markets, as I've been telling people for the last couple of years now. These very simple, very straightforward type trades are the ones that are the most productive in this market, which is very different from my either E-mini or equities type trades, where I'm looking at very esoteric and quirky type entries and entry patterns compared to what I used to do back, say, in the 99-2000 era. It used to be a very simplistic market. Now it's become a very awkward and faded market. Not so in the Forex. I think it's a much better vehicle for beginning traders. Certainly is a lot more risk reward, and that's why I'm out there in the Forex markets now almost exclusively, not trading in stocks nearly as much as I did in the past. So as an introductory offer for those who have bought the Easy Forex course, available at easyforexcourse.com, I'm offering $20 off per month the newsletter, and that offer expires on the 13th. So if something that interests you, jump on over to 5minuteinvestor.com, coupon easyforex.com. Take a free trial, see if the newsletter is working for you. Obviously, having just banked 160 pips in the Great British Pound, going to be on the sidelines for a little while as we wait for another pullback to form. But we're in a nice trending environment, and I would expect that we're going to see some good trades in the future. So there you have it. As always, thanks for listening. My name's Bo Yoder. Good luck and good trading.